Do you have leftover roast potatoes or roast beef sitting in the fridge? What if I told you you could turn them into this rich, hearty, but my take on a traditional Scottish classic, Stovies? Crispy fried potatoes, smoky baked beans, and a silky runny egg on top. Welcome back, you wonderful people. Another recipe coming your way, this time a superb way to make use of leftover Sunday dinner, beef or lamb, and yes, before the haters start, baked beans. And it all comes together in well under 10 minutes. Before I take you through this recipe, please, as a YouTuber building a community, your engagement means the world to me. So if you enjoy these kind of recipes, please hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments, what dish should I make next? First up, we have our roast potatoes. I like them chunky because they crisp up beautifully in the pan. But if you prefer a softer texture, you can mash them slightly. Next, we have our leftover roast beef. We're going to chop it up into bite-sized pieces. If you do have lamb, please do use it because this works too, especially with mint sauce. And that's it for the preparation. The rest is either tinned or in an eggshell. What's your go-to leftover meal? Please drop a comment below. I'm always looking for new ideas and recipes to make. We'll start with a hot pan, medium-high heat. A little drizzle of oil in there if you wish, but I find that the oil in the roasties from previous day goes fine. In go the roast potatoes first. We want to get them nice and crispy, so we don't move them much at first. Obviously, you can see I was a bit silly and put the beef in at the same time, but it all works. So we will add the chopped beef with the roasties, or after, and we'll let it fry up alongside the potatoes, soaking up all that delicious flavour. If you like a bit of spice, now is the time to throw in some chili flakes or a delicious hot sauce. My go-to is Daddy Cool's chili sauces. He does have a website, absolutely fantastic sauce and delicious to boot. Are you team spicy or not? Let me know in the comments. Now time for baked beans. It sounds strange, but I promise you this does work. Just throw it straight in, mix everything together. Let the beans warm through and boom, we've got something special happening right now in this pan. Once that's cooked, we've got our final touch, a perfect fried egg. Low and slow, so the yolk stays runny. That golden goodness is going to bring it all together. Come on, you know, who doesn't like a runny fried egg? Start with melting some butter in a pan before adding your egg. Cook it until the white starts to form. Add a splash of water and then using a pan lid, or if you have a kosh, cover the egg until cooked over. I like a little bit of white on top of my egg. I believe sunny side up is what a lot of you prefer, and that's fine. Go with whatever you prefer, but I think the yolk being runny really does matter with this dish. If you're going to smash this plate in a good way, not in a violent way, please hit that like button. And there you have it, my take on Scottish Stovies, something I was brought up with as a child in northern England throughout my childhood. Made with leftovers, but tasting like a 5-star comfort meal, I promise you. Comfort food at its finest. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe for more easy flavour packed recipes. If you try this one, tag me on YouTube. I want to see your versions. Until next time, happy cooking. Remember, don't forget, wherever or whenever you're viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the links to the right to see some more of my delicious recipes. Please click those links. I promise you will not regret it. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. And last but not least, in the comments below, what's on your plates this evening?